This winter, there were a few days where I don't think it got above minus 10 degrees here, and the guests were able to keep it toasty warm, too warm. I don't know why. In the middle of the winter, they kept it about 75 degrees, according to my remote thermometer. This is the Miracle House, and we did a full remodel to it in 2019. This house was built in the 1880s. And the upstairs, the ducting is a little undersized, so the heating and the cooling both are not generally sufficient up there. So one of the things I wanted to do is we have these beautiful original single pane double hung windows in most of the old part of the house. I wanted to build some storm windows for these upper windows where I could change out the bottom pane for a screen or a plexiglass window, and also accommodate an AC unit. So now I can change those out depending on the season from inside the house. I also didn't want to have those ugly metal storms that are always fall apart, and I wanted to match these lower wood storm windows, but I didn't want to have to climb up and down a ladder every season to pull off the full storms. So I've had these set up for 10 months now through the coldest part of the winter, and now in the 100-degree heat of the summer, we do have this supplemental AC unit, but I'm not sure if it would even be needed. If it were me staying here, I'd be able to keep it cool enough without that. But for the comfort of our guests, I do have the AC unit in there. And so far, these windows have just made it much more efficient and easy to keep the temperature regulated upstairs. So I'm pretty happy with this system, and I'm going to use it at other places like the Northwoods cabins. I decided to go with glass for the upper fixed panes because that will never be removed. But I went with acrylic for the removable panes because, frankly, I'd probably end up breaking it if it were glass. I screwed the windows in with finished screws for added efficiency, and because I shouldn't have to remove the frames anytime soon, I caulked in the edges with clear caulk. So if you want to see the video of the full remodel of the Miracle House, click on the link above.